Alright, so here I have Kentucky 581 Railroad Crossing at Paintsville, Kentucky. Now this crossing has a brand new update, brand new upgrade in this crossing. So here I have a first signal. It's a cantilever. So we have a Rayco cantilever. We have CSX emergency information. As you can see, DOT number is 227-140H. And the lights are Western Colon Hayes tiled by 24-inch lights with Leotech EV Series LEDs replaced to, I believe it's SafeTrend 8-inch lights. And the overhead lights are SafeTrend 8-inch lights, are incandescent. And one of the visors coming out, as you can see inside in there. Now, we have a gate mast. We have a SafeTrend base. And you have a SafeTrend gate mechanism. And you have a Rayco LED gate lights. Also, the gates of signals has a brand new gate. It's supposed to be Rayco LED gate lights as well. You have the relay case. So, let's see. So here I have a second signal over here. So the second signal right here is fabricated metal base. And you have SafeTrend gate mechanism. And the lights are more Western Colon Hayes style by 24-inch lights. I believe that these has replaced SafeTrend 8-inch lights. And we have Rayco LED gate lights. And finally, the bell is signals tied to electronic bell. So yeah, nothing too special here. So yeah, nothing too special here. So yeah, I can get back over here. Okay, that's better view. So here I have Kentucky 581 Railroad Crossing at Paintsville, Kentucky. Over and out.